A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant decision that has stirred controversy and debate, the Supreme Court has upheld a ruling that restricts emergency abortions in Texas, a state known for its stringent abortion laws. This ruling comes just weeks before a pivotal presidential election, where abortion rights have become a focal point for candidates and voters alike. The High Court's decision not to provide an explanation for their ruling has left many questioning the implications of this legal precedent, particularly for pregnant women in urgent medical situations. The Supreme Court's refusal to hear the case means that a lower court's ruling remains in effect, which states that hospitals in Texas are not mandated to perform abortions if doing so would violate state law. This has raised alarms among healthcare providers and advocates who argue that the law could prevent necessary medical care for women facing life-threatening complications during pregnancy. The Biden administration had previously urged the court to overturn this ruling, stating that federal law requires hospitals to provide emergency care, including abortions when a patient's life or health is at risk. This decision follows the 2022 Supreme Court ruling that overturned Roe v. Wade, which had federally protected the right to abortion. Since that landmark decision, states have been grappling with how to navigate the complex landscape of abortion laws, particularly in emergency situations. In Texas, the strict abortion ban only allows for the procedure when the mother's life is at risk, a definition that many argue is too narrow and has led to cases where women have been denied care. At a recent campaign event in Fort Worth, Texas, Democratic U.S. Representative Colin Allred, who is challenging Republican Senator Ted Cruz for his seat, rallied supporters by pledging to restore Roe v. Wade if elected. His remarks were met with enthusiastic applause, highlighting the urgency and emotional weight of the abortion issue in the upcoming election. Cruz, on the other hand, has focused his campaign on other issues, steering clear of the contentious abortion law, which could reflect a strategy to avoid alienating voters as the debate intensifies. The Biden administration's push to have the lower court's order overturned was based on the Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act, EMPLA, which mandates that hospitals treat emergency medical conditions. The administration argued that this federal law should take precedence over state laws that restrict abortion access. However, Texas officials have countered that their state law includes sufficient exceptions for medical emergencies, leading to a legal standoff that has significant implications for women's health care. Recent reports have indicated a troubling trend in Texas, with rising complaints from women who have been turned away from emergency rooms due to the fear that providing an abortion could violate state law. This has prompted advocates to call for clearer guidelines that protect both patients and healthcare providers in emergency situations. The Supreme Court's decision not to intervene has only added to the uncertainty and anxiety surrounding abortion care in the state. As the election approaches, the abortion debate is expected to play a crucial role in shaping voter turnout and preferences. Candidates across the political spectrum are likely to face pressure to articulate their positions on abortion, especially in states with restrictive laws. The outcome of this legal battle in Texas may set a precedent that could influence similar cases in other states, further complicating the national conversation around reproductive rights. In summary, the Supreme Court's decision to uphold Texas's abortion restrictions has reignited the debate over reproductive rights in America, particularly as the nation heads towards a critical election. The implications of this ruling reach far beyond Texas, as it raises fundamental questions about the intersection of state and federal law in the realm of healthcare. With abortion rights at stake, both candidates and voters will undoubtedly be paying close attention to how this issue unfolds in the weeks to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.